Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Shastra and Bhashya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we will deal regarding the topic of the Arka Kalpana. So coming to the etymology, the word Arka, it is derived from Rukgatho and every root contains its meaning. So Gati means motion and denotes three different meanings, that is Gyan, Gaman and Prakti. So in Arka process, all these three are to be accepted as the knowledge of the contents of the drugs is the first thing, that is Gyan, and then the motion is given to the contents through the water, that is Gaman, and lastly required amount of the active content is obtained, that is the Prakti. Thus, the Arka contains the complete aspect of its manufacturing process by the root Rugatho. So, Arka has been used in many meanings in which two can be applied in this context. First one is the Kvata Vishesha, that is the one type of the decoction, and the second is the Surya, that is the sun. The simile of the sun in the process of Arka Kalpana or the Arka preparation can be seen. Here, the water from the ocean is being evaporated by the heat of the sun rays, and these vapors are being condensed and on getting heavy, and these come down on the earth in the form of the rain. So, in the same way, here in the Arka Kalpana, Arka is being collected from the drug. Thus, the word Arka denotes the overall aspect of this manufacturing process. So coming to the definition, the method by which the volatile oil and the active principles of the drug are collected is called as Arkakalpana, and the compound prepared through this procedure is called as Arka. The word Arka is not mentioned in Vedic literature as well as in the Samhita Granthas and even in Sangraha Granthas also. The main reference book of Arka Kalpana is Arka Prakasha, but there is no any explanation about the author of this text. This text is present in the form of conversation between the Ravana and Mandodari. So coming to the importance. The efficacy of Kalka, Churna, Swarasa, Taila, and Arka is gradually increasing in descending order. This efficacy of individual formulation is maybe due to the various degree in the concentration of the active principle. This implies that the author of Arka Prakasha has said this on the basis of concentration of the drug in formulation. So coming to the advantages, so here it can be preserved for a longer time than other kalpanas like Swarasa, Kvata, etc. So this Akka Kalpana is easy to administer in the patients of Mrudu Prakriti and one who hesitate to take medicines like Churna, Vata, etc. Next, the arka is prepared by the combination of jala and with the help of agni. Hence, arkas are lagupaki, vyavai, and vikasi, and thus assimilates quickly in the body. So these arkas have the good palatability also. Doses of drugs can be reduced by using Arka, and Arka Kalpana acquires highest position in obtaining the potentially active volatile oils as the condensation takes place during the process of distillation. Next, coming to the classification. So, first the classification according to the contents. So, first is the Sthirarka, that is Arkapatan from the drugs in which there is no volatile oil. So, examples like Triphala, Dashamula, etc. And second one is Gandharka. So, Arkapatana from the drugs with fragrance or the volatile oil. So, examples like Jiraka, Ajamoda, etc. And the third one is Dravarka, that is Arka extraction from the liquid drugs. Next, second one, the classification according to the duration of the preparation. And that Nuna, prepared in 1 praharakala, and Madhyarka prepared in 2 praharakala, and Shreshtarka prepared in 3 prahara. Next, third one, classification according to the part used. They are like Pushparka, Kshira Vriksharka, Taila Dhanya Arka, Tandularka, Sattu Dhanyarka, Sugandha Ghanarka, and Vipavargarka. Next, classification according to the modern science. They are simple distillation, vacuum distillation, fractional distillation, steam distillation, and last one is the destructive distillation. So this is regarding the today's topic, Arka Kalpana. So if you have any queries, please mention it in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.